In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to render H.264 from After Effects using Media Encoder. By the end, you'll have a clean, compatible MP4 file ready for sharing or uploading, all without tying up After Effects while it renders. Start in After Effects and select the composition you want to export. Make sure it's the correct comp and that its duration and resolution are what you expect, because that's what will be sent out for encoding. With it selected, go to the top menu and choose File, then Export, and click Add to Adobe Media Encoder queue. This hands your composition off to Adobe Media Encoder, which will open if it isn't already running. In Adobe Media Encoder, look for your composition in the Queue panel. You'll see a row with your comp's name and a few columns you can adjust. In the Format column, click the drop-down and choose H.264. This tells Media Encoder to create an MP4 file, which is widely supported by platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, and most devices. Next, pick a preset. Click the preset drop-down right next to the format. Presets are pre-configured combinations of quality, resolution, and bitrate, so you don't have to dial in technical settings manually. A reliable general-purpose choice is something like Match Source, high bitrate, which aims to keep your comp's resolution and deliver solid quality. If you're targeting a specific platform, you can select a preset labeled for that platform and resolution to streamline your workflow. Now set where the file will be saved and what it will be called. In the Output File column, click the blue file name. This opens a Save dialog. Choose a destination folder you can find later, give the file a clear name, and confirm. Keeping a consistent naming convention can save you time when you're exporting multiple versions. With the format, preset, and destination set, you're ready to encode. Go to the top right of the Queue panel and hit the green Play button. Media Encoder will start processing your composition. You'll see progress indicators and an estimated time remaining. One of the nice benefits of this workflow is that you can continue working in After Effects while the encode runs in the background. When the status shows complete, your MP4 is done and waiting in the location you chose. That's all there is to rendering H.264 from After Effects using Media Encoder. Select your comp, send it to the queue, choose H.264, pick a preset, set your output name and location, and start the encode. Thanks for watching, and happy exporting.